A to Z of insects. Ready? Ant. There are over 12,000 ant species worldwide. Ants can be found on every single continent except Antarctica. Bed bug. Bed bugs are clever. Their survival instinct causes them to hide in the day when their detection could be dangerous to their nest. Caterpillar. A caterpillar has just one job: to eat. Caterpillars increase their body mass by as much as 1,000 times or more during the larva stage. Dragonfly. Dragonflies were some of the first winged insects to evolve, some 300 million years ago. Fossil dragonflies have been found with wingspans of up to 2 feet. Emerald moth. Emerald moth is mostly commonly found in the southern half of the British Isles. It was accidentally introduced into southern British Columbia in 1979. Firefly. There are more than 2,000 species of fireflies, a type of beetle. Despite their name, only some species produce adults that glow. Grasshopper. There are around 11,000 known species of grasshopper found around the world, often inhabiting grassy fields, meadow, and forest areas. Hornet moth. Adult hornet moths are found in open habitat such as parks, golf courses, and marshy areas. Females prefer to lay eggs on old or isolated trees surrounded by vegetation. Io moth. At rest, adult Io moths are camouflaged, but when disturbed, they quickly draw the forewings apart, suddenly revealing the 2 bold eye spots, which can scare predators away. Japanese beetle. While devouring a plant, the Japanese beetle secretes congregation pheromone that attracts other Japanese beetles to come to the same area and enjoy the feast. Katydid. Katydids are relatives of grasshoppers but can be distinguished from them by their long antennae. Katydids are nocturnal, so don't expect to see a lot of them during the day. Ladybug. There are about 5,000 species of ladybugs in the world. They can also be yellow, orange, brown, pink, or even all black. Mosquito. Only female mosquitoes bite. Both male and female feed mainly on fruit and plant nectar, but the female also needs the protein in blood to help her eggs develop. Netwing beetle. When threatened, adult netwing beetles open and lift their wings as a defensive warning, perhaps making themselves appear larger and more aggressive. Owlfly. Owlflies are distinguished from dragonflies by the way in which they fold their wings over the body at rest and by their heavy, clubbed antennae. Praying mantis. The praying mantis has 2 eyes, but just a single ear, located on the underside of its belly, just forward of its hind legs. Queen bee. The queen bee is the most important bee in the hive. She is fed a diet of royal jelly, which is a protein secretion from the heads of young worker bees. Rose maple moth. Rose maple moths have both compound and simple eyes and are able to see ultraviolet rays. They cannot hear sounds since they do not have organs needed to hear. Silkworm. The scientific name for silkworms is Bombyx mori. They have been raised to produce fabric for thousands of years and can no longer be found in the wild. Termite. There are over 2,700 termite species in the world. Some varieties of termite species have existed on Earth for over 250 million years. Underwing moth. Underwing moths are named for the colorful patterns on their hindwings, which are covered by the forewings when the moth is at rest. Velvet worm. Velvet worms, otherwise known as Onychophora, are reclusive little animals that have changed very little in the last 500 million years. Walking stick. Walking sticks can be brown, black, or green colored. Some species have lichen-like markings on the body, others can change the color of the body to blend with the environment. Xerces blue. The Xerces blue is believed to be the first American butterfly species to become extinct as a result of loss of habitat caused by urban development. Yellow jacket. Yellow jackets are a type of wasp. Many people mistake these small wasps for bees as they are similar in size and coloring to honeybees, but they are actually from the wasp family. Zebra longwing. This butterfly's name comes from its long narrow wings, which are black with pale yellow stripes. These bold colors are a warning to predators of the butterfly's toxicity.